Hi everyone, welcome to this video on Cisco Packet Tracer. Today I want to show you how to connect two network closets in the same physical building. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on switches and I'm going to click on the 2960. Then I'm going to click on physical, home city, corporate office. I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to click on this button here to add a new wiring closet. And I'll put it over here. Now to connect together, so what I have to do first, I have to put in a switch here, 2960. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go back to logical view and I'm going to connect the two switches together. And to accomplish this, I'll use a crossover cable. So click here on gigabit Ethernet 01 and click here on the second switch and on gigabit Ethernet 01. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add 3 PCs to switch 1 in the second closet. So I'm going to click here on physical. So I just want to go here wiring closet and I want to click on this one here and jump. So I'm here. So what I want to do is I want to click here on end devices and I want to go PC, and here's 1, 2 and 3. So what I want to do now is I want to connect these to the switch, and to accomplish this I'm going to click on this button here and I'll click on the second cable here, which is a copper straight through Ethernet cable. So click there on the Ethernet port. I can zoom in and click here on the port there. And do the same again for this one. Click on this port here. And then we do the same for the third PC. And now I go to physical, so that's fine. So to go back to the main wiring closet, I click on this button here and I click on main wiring closet and I click jump. So what I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to add a server and 4 desktops. So to connect these again, I'm going to click on this button here and I'm going to click here on copper straight through and I'll click here, and then so the server is now connected. So I'm just going to zoom out. So I click here and connect it here to the switch, and I'll do the same for the other PCs here. So to configure these devices, I click here on the logical view, and you can see here I have to move these computers back, so just click here on them. So now I want to configure each of these with an IP address. So to do that, just click here on the server and I'm going to go click on desktop and I'm going to configure the IP address 192.168.0.1 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, and I do the same for the rest of the machines here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the server and I'm going to ping PC2 here, which has the IP address of 192.168.0.8. And you can see now I have received a reply from the IP address on the machine of 192.168.0.8, and I'll click here on exit. So what I want to do now is I want to show how to send a ping request from the server to this machine, and I'll show you now. Click on simulation, click on the server here, click here on traffic generator, and I'm going to put in the destination IP address of 192.168.0.8. Put in a sequence number of 25, size 20, periodic. I'm going to put in 15 seconds. Click on send, and then I click on this button here. So you can see now the server has sent a ping request. It's gone to switch 0. It's going through the crossover cable, reach switch 1, and now it's going to PC2. And now PC2 will redirect the ping back to the server. So it goes back to switch 1, through the crossover cable back to switch 0, and back to the server. So to watch this again, just click on this button here, click on the back button here, and then press the play button, which is here. So you can see again it's gone from the server to switch 0, through the crossover cable back to switch 1, which is the second network closet, and we're back then to PC2. So PC2 sending back to switch 1, back to switch 0, and back to the server. And then to stop it, then you just click on this button here. So what I want to do now, I just want to show you how to switch between the two physical views of each of the network closets. So we click here on the physical view, which is the main network closet. So to go to the second network closet, I just click on this button here, scroll down, and I click on wiring closet here, and then I click on jump to select it. And you can see here now I'm back at the second network closet that I put in, and you can see there's a cable here which is connected back to the first patch panel. So I'll just show you again how to go back to the main wiring closet. Just click on this button here, scroll up and click on main wiring closet here, which is the corporate office, and then click jump to. And you can see now I'm back at the main wiring closet. So I'm going to leave it here today for this video. If you liked watching, please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.